it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my barbecue ribs. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start off by washing our ribs and removing the membrane. Now, removing the membrane is optional because we are going to be marinating the meat. It could be broken down, but I just like to remove it anyway. Okay, so we added our ribs to a big Ziploc bag. What we're gonna do is squeeze one fresh lemon inside. One cola. This is how we get the meat to get broken down quicker and make it nice and fall off the bone. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of Maggie seasoning. And 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now this is just step 1 in the process of our ribs. We're gonna close the bag, make sure all the air is out, and get that flavor all through our meat. Okay, we're gonna add this to the bowl. We're gonna refrigerate these for 3 to 4 hours. For the best results, let these marinate overnight. Okay, so our ribs are in the refrigerator marinating. We're gonna get the rub spices together. So we're gonna start off with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of seasoned pepper, a teaspoon of lemon pepper. We're gonna do a tablespoon of the rib rub, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or if you like spice, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, flour seasoning, 1 teaspoon, and a teaspoon of red chili flakes. I'm just gonna combine this. And our rib rub is done. Okay, so it's been about 4 hours and we are going to now rub our meat down with our rub that we made. First, I am going to drizzle my meat with a little bit of honey. And because I don't have brown sugar is the reason why I'm doing this. Now it's time to put the rub on top. And we're gonna do this to both sides. So we are going to do this on charcoal. Make sure your charcoal is white before you do place your ribs on. Now we're gonna let these cook for about 45 minutes to an hour, and we're just gonna check on them every so often. We wanna make sure our ribs have a nice bark. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes. In the last 5 minutes, I did throw my barbecue sauce on. And you can use any barbecue flavor that you like, but that's the one that I like to use. And look at how juicy our ribs are. Beautiful. And you can pair it with baked beans and fresh corn on the cob. I use that. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more recipes, hit the playlist at the end.